In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise Card in Europe. We'll walk through the essential setup inside the Wise mobile app so you're ready to use your card confidently across Europe. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and the official Wise app installed on your phone before we begin, and have access to the email inbox and phone number you plan to use. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. On the first screen, choose Register. This is for creating a new account. If you've used Wise before, you'd normally log in, but today we're focusing on a fresh setup tailored for Europe. Enter a valid email address you can access right now. It's best to use an address you'll keep long term, since Wise will send important security and account notifications there. Once you submit your email, check your inbox for the verification message and select Confirm. This step links your email to your new account and ensures you can receive crucial updates. Back in the app, select Next to proceed. You'll be asked whether you want a personal account or a business account. Choose personal if you're planning everyday spending, travel, or personal transfers. Choose business if the card will be used for company-related expenses. Picking the correct type helps Wise apply the right features, limits, and documentation later on. Now select your country or region. This should reflect where you actually live or operate, as it determines available currencies, fees, and compliance requirements. Use the search field to find Europe and select it. Choosing Europe aligns the setup so your Wise card can be used smoothly across European destinations and helps the app tailor the experience to that region. Tap Continue to confirm your selection, then tap Next to move forward. You'll be asked for a phone number. Enter a number you can receive texts or calls on, ideally the one on the device you're using. Include the correct country code and make sure you have Signal, as Wise will send a verification message to secure your account. Select Send Code. Wise will deliver a one-time code to the number you provided to verify it's really you. Keep the app open and your phone nearby so you can receive that message promptly. That's it for the initial setup focused on using your Wise card in Europe. By confirming your email, choosing the right account type, setting your region to Europe, and verifying your phone number, you've laid the groundwork for a smooth experience. If anything looks different on your screen, it may be due to app updates or local regulations. Just follow the on-screen guidance provided by Wise.